Hi, and welcome back to my little short beginner Adobe Illustrator series. And in this one, we're going to be talking about using the shape tool, which last time we talked about the pen tool. This one, we're going to use the shape tool. The difference is the shape tool will be here. You'll come to this left side window where all these little tools are and just hold click on this specific one, and you get a bunch of little shapes over here. And basically all is useful. I haven't really used the flare tool, but I've used everything else multiple times whenever I'm making anything. So for this sheet, I have all of the sheets in the description. They're completely free for you to follow along, download them, pop it open, and it should pop up exactly like mine, and you'll be able to just follow along while I show you how to do everything here. And I have all my keystrokes on screen down here. You'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. Nothing's a secret. Alright, so for the shape tool, we're going to just run this, and you're going to click and drag. We're going to press slash to clear out the shape like I did in the pen tool tutorial. That's going to be a thing. We're going to do that a lot. This one, what we might want to do is we're going to include a stroke this time. Now, how do you be able to tell the difference between the stroke and the base color, you might ask? The difference is the stroke is going to have this little outline, and you can switch the colors with X, Shift X. And that's just a fast way to do it. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. That's one that I kind of just let slip through my fingers. And so what I want you to do is I want you to go through the rest of these and play around with all of the different shapes in here. And you will be able to make all of these shapes only using this. You should not have to touch the pen tool or the direct selection tool at all. You should be only have to use this. So like for example with the star, you click to open the menu when you are creating shapes that you want to specify specific properties on, like the star or the polygon tool, which we'll be using here in a second for the triangle. But this one, okay, we got 6 points, and we're going to use this V, the main selection tool. Don't use the direct selection tool. We don't want to mess with the anchor points. We just want to, shape this around. So how do I rotate? We're going to press R, and you should be able to hold shift again. You'll notice a lot of these things flow into each other. Last time I went over using the regular the pen tool, you can hold shift and create a straight line. That applies to shapes as well, or when you're resizing. If you hold shift, it's going to lock the ratio of these objects in place. So back to what we were doing before. It should try to help you line this up as much as possible. Illustrator is really good about that. It doesn't have to be exact, as long as you know, if you understand the tools you're using. I don't give a care what you do with these sheets. It's just to help you understand what these tools can do. So we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna skip these two. These ones are kind of self-explanatory. That one's the rounded rectangle. We got an ellipse, which is on L. Sometimes I use that. This is a rounded rectangle. This is not a circle. These are all rectangles, and this is a star, but I want you to play with the star settings and see if you can figure out that yourself. I'll tell you it's the max setting, and it works, and it fits. This one, I'm going to show you, if we go to the polygon tool, and we just click right in the middle here. Again, we can change the amount of sides, just like the star has the points, but we can do it with the polygon and just make a shape. And now we have a triangle, and there's not even a triangle tool, it was just a regular polygon. And that is it's handy. I use it for hexagons a lot. Hexagons, you would just pop out the polygon tool, 6, bam, just like that. You don't even have to do it with the pen tool. It's really easy. Now, just go ahead and finish the rest of the sheet and move on to the next video. Keep playing with the shape tool. Keep playing with the pen tool. All of this stuff you're going to use for a long time if you keep using Illustrator. And I will see you in the next tutorial.